Hello guys, 17th of October 2021. My Asus laptop has been overheating and switching off by itself, especially during the daytime. So I nick off to Donggongon and look for a cooler. Hopefully it will help. And I asked the computer shop for the top range, and this is the one. 1300 LED Cooler Master. On the top here says made in China. And I don't need any knife to unbox this thing. Just pull out. Yeah. Oh, and it costs nearly $100. $99 Malaysian price. Okay. What's that? That's all. Just one solid big fan. One solid, and it's what do you call it? Powered through the USB. Unboxing is very popular video these days. I'm unboxing it on my cluttered computer table. Throw away the plastic. I don't want you. And here you go. Throw you away. Here's the connector. There's the USB connector there. Yeah. Just like that. Other type you hook into the USB port on the other end, but this one is connected straight to the fan. Yeah. One big giant it can hold on the largest laptop because I bought a top range, and my laptop is smaller than this, maybe 75% the size, but anyway, let's try it. What shall I do? Oh. And the box is the gel and the handbook. What is for the pamphlet? Oh, I hate the phone shall keep sending WhatsApp message. Yeah. Throw you away. What's the use of this box? Throw him away. And here's my laptop. It's just a bit larger than my almost the same size pula. Yeah, my laptop will sit nicely in it, but just enough length of cable to the one of these powered. Here we go. Wow. Okay, it's better than the previous one. You got air, right? It is stronger than my here's my age one that I'm replacing. This one actually got leg. This is the previous one. This previous one got two fans, but I think it's clogged with dust, and the lights has gone dead, and the speed has gone slow. It's still rotating. If anybody wants to hand me down to fool around with the motor of this old one, you can have it. But since I got myself a new with a blue light, definitely when it's new, it's got more air. Yeah, it is quite cool here. So that's all, folks. I hope this new one will cool down my laptop and doesn't die by itself or gets overheated. Yep. But it's, as usual, made in China. That's all, folks.